From the intricate arches of Mughal palaces to the opulent textures of Rajasthani royalty, this journey through Indian regal bathroom designs will awaken your senses and transport you to the heights of indulgence. Picture spaces where tradition meets opulence, creating breathtaking sanctuaries of comfort and style. Each bathroom tells a story of grandeur, woven into the architectural fabric of India's most exquisite royal palaces. Let these luxurious designs inspire you to transform your own bathroom into a retreat fit for royalty. Drawing inspiration from the magnificent Mughal palaces, the Mughal Palace Grandeur bathroom style combines architectural splendor with unparalleled opulence. Ornate arches and domed ceilings reminiscent of Indo-Islamic architecture create a space that feels like stepping into a royal bath from centuries past. Marble floors, adorned with intricate jali screens and delicate floral motifs, bring the essence of the era into a luxurious modern setting. Rich jewel tones such as emerald and maroon pair beautifully with gold accents, creating an atmosphere that is both regal and serene. Textures play a significant role in this design, with carved wood and marble blending harmoniously to form a tactile feast for the senses. The soft glow of warm, ambient lighting further enhances the intimate, romantic feel of the space. Every inch of the bathroom, from its carved jali screens to its expansive mirrors, reflects the grandeur of Mughal heritage, making it a truly breathtaking escape. Imagine soaking in a luxurious, freestanding bathtub beneath a majestic domed ceiling surrounded by intricate marble work and grand arches. This style embraces both the old-world charm of Mughal architecture and modern comfort, offering a retreat fit for a prince or princess. Transitioning from the grand to the intimate, the Mughal Palace Grandeur bathroom is designed to cocoon you in royal luxury. The interplay of light and shadow within its architectural arches gives it a timeless appeal, while the rich textures and deep hues create a calming, tranquil ambience. For anyone seeking a lavish, regal aesthetic, this bathroom design offers the perfect blend of opulence and sophistication. Stepping into the Rajasthani royalty bathroom transports you directly to the heart of India's desert palaces. Inspired by the palatial grandeur of Rajasthan's rich cultural heritage, this bathroom combines vibrant colors with intricately detailed craftsmanship to create a space that is both luxurious and deeply rooted in tradition. Bold hues of terracotta, gold, and maroon form the backbone of this design, with colorful mosaic tiles covering the walls and floors, creating a rich tapestry of design. Rajasthani interiors are known for their bold textures, and this bathroom is no exception. Hand-carved wood elements, paired with colorful, ornate tiles, bring a tactile depth to the space, while arched doorways and windows nod to the royal architecture found in the palaces of Udaipur and Jaisalmer. The bathroom radiates warmth and opulence, making it the ideal retreat for anyone seeking a bold, royal-inspired design. The soft glow of candlelight or chandelier lighting reflects off the intricate mosaic tiles, creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and deeply luxurious. Every element in the room, from the carved wooden mirrors to the richly colored floor tiles, speaks to the deep cultural heritage of Rajasthan. This design is perfect for those who seek a blend of tradition and luxury, creating a bathroom that feels like a hidden palace in the desert. For those who seek a connection with nature and cultural heritage, the Kerala Heritage Bathhouse style is a sanctuary of serene luxury. Drawing inspiration from Kerala's traditional bathhouses, this bathroom is a celebration of natural materials and time-honored craftsmanship. Dark, rich woods combined with brass accents and muted earth tones create a space that feels both calming and luxurious. The subtle yet intricate detailing evokes the traditional design aesthetics of Kerala's heritage homes. Warm, natural lighting plays an essential role in this design, with soft sunlight filtering through wooden slats and reflecting off the polished brass fixtures. The color palette, dominated by deep browns, warm golds, and lush greens, is reminiscent of Kerala's tropical landscape, while the use of wood and natural stone adds an earthy, grounded feel to the space. This bathroom feels like a luxurious retreat, where the textures of nature are brought to life in a regal yet calming way. One of the key features of this style is its balance between luxury and simplicity. While the design is undoubtedly opulent, it also embraces minimalism, with clean lines and carefully curated elements that reflect Kerala's rich cultural heritage. The result is a bathroom that feels grounded in tradition while offering a luxurious escape from the everyday. Stepping into the Kerala Heritage Bathhouse is like entering a tropical oasis. The combination of traditional craftsmanship and natural materials ensures that this bathroom design feels both authentic and luxurious, making it the perfect retreat for those who appreciate understated elegance. Inspired by the serene and opulent spa retreats favored by Indian royalty, the Maharani Spa Retreat Bathroom is a tranquil haven of luxury. This design focuses on creating a serene, spa-like environment where you can relax and unwind in complete luxury. Soft, muted jewel tones, paired with sleek, polished marble and gold accents, create a calming atmosphere that is both elegant and inviting. The layout is spacious, with a large, freestanding bathtub as the focal point of the room. Polished marble floors reflect the soft, diffused lighting, while plush textiles and subtle touches of gold enhance the overall sense of luxury. This bathroom feels like a private sanctuary, offering a peaceful escape from the world where every detail has been designed for relaxation and indulgence. The textures in this space, from the smooth marble to the plush, soft fabrics, create a sense of tactile luxury. This bathroom is not only a visual feast, but also a sensory one, designed to soothe and relax the senses. The use of candles and soft, ambient lighting further enhances the spa-like atmosphere, making this the perfect retreat for anyone seeking a luxurious escape. The traditional Kutch jewel bathroom is a celebration of the vibrant, intricate designs that define the Kutch region of India. Bold colors, intricate tile work, and detailed craftsmanship come together to create a bathroom that feels both regal and deeply rooted in tradition. Warm hues of red, gold, and terracotta dominate the color palette, while the intricate patterns on the tiles and walls reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. Textures are rich and varied in this design, with colorful mosaic tiles, carved wooden accents, and plush fabrics adding depth and warmth to the space. The bold use of color and pattern creates a bathroom that feels alive with energy, while the ornate detailing on the walls and floors ensures that every inch of the space feels luxurious and well-crafted. Lighting plays a crucial role in this design, with warm, diffused light creating a cozy, intimate atmosphere. The interplay of light and shadow highlights the intricate tile work and ornate details, bringing the space to life. The traditional Kutch jewel bathroom is perfect for those who appreciate bold, vibrant designs that celebrate India's rich cultural heritage. Stepping into this bathroom is like entering a jewel box of color and pattern. The combination of intricate craftsmanship, bold textures, and vibrant hues makes the traditional Kutch jewel bathroom a truly unique and luxurious space, offering a bold yet elegant retreat. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,